Quails are little birds of the forest that captivate with their busy lives and beautiful patterns. Their flecked feathers and swift movements contribute to the vibrancy of their wooded surroundings as they scavenge for seeds and insects. Because they are so important to soil health and seed spread, quails play a vital part in the dynamics of ecosystems. Even though they are little, their happy calls and social interactions make their surroundings alive. Quails represent tenacity and creativity, as well as the undiscovered benefits of the natural environment.